So let's have a look at Blues for Big Ears. This is currently on the grade 4 syllabus. It's a good little piece, one of my favourites. There's lots of little repeated sections in this as well. We're going to start off with the first section, which is most of the first line. Be careful that we pay attention to our staccatos and our full length notes and make that difference, and remember to get in all those flats. 1, 2. Once you've had a go at that section and started to get all your notes in the right order, let's move on. Now, the next line is very similar to the first line in the shapes, but it goes a little bit higher. Don't worry so much about the high F if you're not feeling too comfortable on it, but do make sure that we get down to that C and make sure that C's in the right place afterwards, otherwise it will throw the rest of the phrase out. Remember the key signature, so don't forget your B flats, and yeah, let's have a crack at that. Once we've got that done, let's move on. Now this section is very, very similar to the first section apart from just the last couple of notes, so pay attention to those. Now the next two sections are very, very similar. They're basically the same tune, but one step down the second time you hear it. And the same pattern again, this time starting on an F. This is called a sequence, when you have the same tune but starting on a different note. And now the last phrase of the piece. Make sure you get your B naturals and your B flats in the right place here. And don't worry about the last note of the piece, just go for it. In the next clip, I'm going to play a bit and then I'll leave a bit of space for you to play the same phrase. Feel free to pause the video if you want to spend more time on that phrase still, and play the whole of the piece. Finally, let's try running it together. 1, 2, 3.